Hello everyone. My name is Vishal Patil and I'm an assistant professor in Industrial and Production Department in University Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Now in a series of Arduino Uno, now in this second part, I'm going to tell you about the sensors. What is sensors? What do you mean by it? And what are the different sensors available in the market? Brief introduction about myself. I'm an assistant professor. Okay, that's it. I am graduated from Jabalpur Engineering College, post-graduated from IIT Kharagpur, and I secured All India Rank 42 in GATE 2014. Now, coming to the sensors. A sensor is a device whose purpose is to detect events or changes in its environment and send the information to other electronics, frequently a computer processor. And a sensor is always used with other electronic devices. Let's take an example. Suppose you have to prepare a system in which there is an automatic window shutter. Now, as the rain starts raining in the rainy season, so you have you have employed a sensor which is attached with the window shutter, and as your rain or water droplets start, it sends the presence of water droplets and it send that signal to the processor. That processor will process, and finally the output the processor will give is to close the window so that the water droplets should not enter into the room. So there are various types of sensors available. So this is your IR sensor, this is your buzzer beeps. These are the male female terminal wires. These are the battery, 9-volt battery, which is available and which will power your Arduino Uno board. These are the few LED lights: red, green, yellow, blue. This is your IR sensor. This is your accelerometer. Now this accelerometer works, the input signal which you provide this accelerometer is in the form of analogs. So that means the analog pins, the terminal wires which you use should be attached to the analog pins of the Arduino Uno board, which is on the this side, this particular side. Now I'm going to show you here. These are the analog pins where you attach the analog points of accelerometer here. This is your IR sensor, which works on the digital signals. That means 0 or 1. Now here you can see there are 3 pins. One is your output, middle one is your ground pin, and third one is your VCC. That is the input voltage which you provide this IR sensor. How this IR sensor works? It is basically used for the detection of obstacle. So here the IR LED is there, and here we have a photodiode. This IR LED will give a signal, and as your obstacle or an object approaches towards this IR sensor, it reflects this IR light, and there is a photodiode which receives this light, and it gives or send the signal to this IR board, which gives an output to the Arduino Uno, which which will be an input signal for that Arduino Uno board. Now, on that signal, your Arduino will decide what the function should you have to perform, and that function, the perform which you perform, will be the program which you have prepared on your Arduino software. Likewise, this accelerometer is actually the positioning sensor. Here XYZ, as this sensor changes its position in a three-dimensional coordinates, the values in XYZ coordinates will be shown in the Arduino software. This is your complete toolkit of Arduino Uno board. Here you have the LEDs, you have this breadboard, you have this USB cable, you have this LED, you have the power sources, you have the male and female terminal wires, you have the buzzer beep. So this is all about the sensors which you employed with the Arduino Uno board. Thank you.